There's some chattering. I know something. Oh, what's going on over there?
He's still in front.
He's looking at that palm tree.
I love it when they walk on their hind legs.
That's something very different that they haven't seen before.
Yeah, don't get into one.
They tend to like to go for the things that are going to be easiest. Oh, there's another thing. Drop it, maybe it'll fall apart.
Oh boy, there's another one.
Got you.
How they stand up and watch.
I know, that cracks me up when they do that.
They're laughing?
Yep. Oh yeah. You're not up for that box yet, are you?
It's really funny. He's used to it.
He's gonna break it apart.
The biggest and the thinnest survive.
Look how he's hanging, Kiara. What is he using to hold on? Tail, that's right. That's
See how they can use their tails?
tail.
That would be so handy to have, wouldn't it?
Tails, that means they can grab with them. They actually have kind of like fingerprints on their tail. The way it goes, kind of leathery there. It's individual.
That's why they're called spiders.
How do you know?
Kind of looks like a spider with all those extra limbs, right?
Yeah, he figures there's
This
something.
guy's intrigued by the box.
Gotta find something.
Not quite sure how to approach it.
Pulling the tree apart.
See how he hangs on with his tail? He can take off at a moment's notice if he needed to.
Oh, he found the door.
Yeah.
That's why they call it square.
Look at that.
Mama can't see either, Boo.
Don't tell the others.
I'll tell you.
Watch this one right here by the ball. Watch him. He's eating. Did you see him? Look at that way.
Is he pooing? Is he pooing? Daddy, is he pooing?
No.
Oh, they do have them.
Yeah.
Now we do enrichment with the animals. Number one is for the good of the animals. We think this activity is good for them mentally and physically. Keeps them busy and using their minds and bodies. And but it's also great for us. We get to see things here that we would not normally
That's
see.
right.
And that really sheds some light on what their abilities are. It's fascinating. I wonder what they're saying to each other.
They're not eating my blackberries.
They're waiting for them. They're saying,
Yeah, there's balls out there. They have special treats in them.
Try them, you'll like them.
They're going phooey on the onion. Give me them blackberries.
Yeah.
Blackberries.